We have created a world of unlimited possibilities. Whether you are in Beijing, Barcelona, or New York, we have been given the power to choose. You can choose your jacket, choose your phone, live in a city or live in a town, go out with your friends or meet up with someone, set up a business or work at home, be a rocket scientist or a famous novelist, support your party, his party, their party, mobilize yourself, shout for your rights. But among all this exciting sea of possibilities, there's always one precious thing that is always missing. Time is exactly what we are missing, and we are going to recover it. Think of when you wait for the next train, when your flight gets delayed, and when you're stuck in traffic trying to come home. Look, we have a solution. It is a new means of transportation that empowers citizens and businesses, bringing us back our most valuable thing in life. This is Hyperloop, an all-electric, zero-emissions, autonomous transport system that combines the speed of a plane with the frequency of a metro. A new paradigm in mobility, connectivity, and multimodality to connect the world in a matter of minutes. And best of all, is it's happening now. At Zeleros, we are developing the future of transportation by combining a powerful team with a network of key industry leaders with the objective of simplifying infrastructure. By developing a vehicle that is fully autonomous, we're able to outperform any other current transport systems in costs and energy efficiency by achieving speeds above 1,000 kilometers an hour with renewable sources. With active magnetic levitation systems and a disruptive aerodynamic propulsion, you can have a passive infrastructure which leads into lower costs and easier maintenance. Spain is a reference in railway innovation, and Hyperloop is the backbone of the next transport revolution, boosting competitiveness and generating value. The time is now.